Are you looking for the best workbench vise? In this video, we will break down the top 6 workbench vise on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Wilton 11104 Wilton Bench Vise. The blue powder coat finish of the Wilton is a standard color in the world of bench vises, but is finished to a very standard. This vise is every inch a workhorse, perfect for beginners and experienced craftsmen alike. The best vise placement is a simple choice as the unit isn't static, thanks to a clever design. It is made of strengthened steel that makes it an almost invincible vise, but not at a cost of its weight. At 7 kilograms, it isn't a mammoth to install or to handle. The vise has a swivel base that allows you to work with ease. No more craning your neck around a piece or shuffling around a bench to get the best angle. The strong design comes in even handier when you take the anvil back into consideration. The vise opens to a 4-inch opening, which is best for bench work. The jaws have a diamond machined finish for an extra secure grip. It is a little larger than is usually seen on a vise like this, but that is a pure plus, as it is a well-made feature perfect for bending and flattening any of your metal projects. The anvil absorbs the vibrations of any hammering on metal, and makes this vise perfect for your metalworking projects as well as woodworking. Many vises have the anvil feature, but in this vise is definitely there for use. And at number 2. Yost Tools Vises 445 4.5 Heavy-Duty Bench Vise. The Yost Vise 4.5 inch is one of the best bench vises for your garage or basement workbench. This is a heavy-duty bench vise, and it is enough to handle moderate jobs. The tabletop vise mounts to a workbench to provide clamping for light-duty applications. The Yost Vise 180-degree swivel base adjusts the direction of the jaw for proper placement, a feature that is not common with other bench-top vise in the market. Users of this vise will also discover its sturdiness, since its materials do not feel cheap or flimsy. The flat surface is a great functionality as well, and is a highly recommendable item for your jobs. At number 3. Tekton 4-inch Swivel Bench Vise. This 4-inch vise is built from 30,000 SI cast iron, and has serrated steel jaws that can be replaced as needed. A 120-degree swivel base with dual lockdown nuts and polished anvil makes jobs easier. Turning the handle is almost effortless, and the Acme screw functions smoothly. With a 3-inch jaw opening and 2 1/8-inch throw depth, it's not going to grip larger items as well as some of the others, but it's going to handle almost anything the typical homeowner will need it for. Because of its smaller size, it can be mounted in places others can't, making it maybe the best compact bench vise currently available. This is a perfect starter vise for new users and will last a long time. At number 4. Yost Tools 750 Die Bench and Pipe Vise. Yost Vises 750 Die is quite an interesting bench vise. It turns in all kinds of ways, and is a multi-use vise. You can clamp tubes or pieces of metals horizontally and vertically. It is multi-use because it has 3 types of jaws. You can also turn this vise 360 degrees. 5-inch jaws are made from hardened steel, so they will not wear out that easily, but also gives durability and good grip. Jaws open full 5 inches and depth is 4 inches, which is usually enough for small homeowner jobs. It's made from ductile iron, and the main screw has been made larger. If anyone cares about clamping force, it's over 9,000 pounds. This vise is industrial strength vise, but will be perfect also for small garage. It's also very heavy, more than 63 pounds, but this weight is a good thing in vises. At number 5. Yost LV4 Home Vise 4 1/2 inch. The Yost LV4 is quite a small bench vise that is great for home D projects. It measures only 4.5 inches. Its design was improved for more stability, and it's made from cast iron. So even though it's small, it's not weak or hollow like many of the small bench vises available on the market. The Yost LV4 is both strong and stable, so it's perfect to use as a home bench vise or for small workshops, especially when you consider the jaw opening size. The small anvil area provides you space to strike and whack at. It's very easy to install and start working with it. For the price it comes at, the Yost LV4 is an amazing bargain. At number 6. Olympia Tools 38-604 Bench Vise. The Olympia Tool Bench Vise has stiff competition from a myriad of other vises in its price point. It is a small 4-inch bench vise and is cited as being reinforced, and it definitely doesn't disappoint. The bottom of the vise is super reinforced, and this helps bring a feeling of strength and security when you are working, which is always best. When it has been attached by the 4-point lug attachments, this bench vise won't go anywhere unless you want it to. The pipe jaws underneath are fixed and permanent, and they are a useful and welcome feature on a bench vise, especially one of this size. The vise turns through 270 degrees and adds another dimension to your working. The reinforced steel jaw faces are of excellent quality and are replaceable.